2017, Yamaha phases out the FZR or the FZ platform because it's 9 years. They know it's time to go. All right. They also had developed a platform that, if they went through another recession, was going to be the universal platform for all watercraft. That was the FX/GP hull. That hull was meant to replace them all. GP comes out. GP, they fought to keep GP stripped. They wanted GP1800 to stay the GP1800. No sound, no special dash. It was going to have brakes. It was going to have brakes. But the VXR was meant to be separate. And it was the GP and the VXR. Why they killed the VXR name still bothers the hell out of me. The VXR, year after year, was a fantastic ski. VXR, year after year, totally consistent seller. Then they had to make it GP1800R, HO, and SVHO. You completely killed the VXR. They killed the name, and they killed the legacy of it. They shouldn't have done that. Should have kept it GP1800R and VXR. But the problem was that the dealers were too stupid and they didn't know how to sell the VXR. They only knew how to sell the GP. Like, you don't want the GP, you want the VXR. I'm telling you, you shouldn't be trusted with a foam pool noodle, nonetheless a supercharged GP1800R. All right, and that was the problem. Was dealers simply did not know how to sell the VXR. People who knew what the VXR was ran to the VXR. And the VXR always had the better color combinations, which I thought was hilarious. But nevertheless, Yamaha was trying to keep the GP a very select, very unique machine. And they sold every one of those damn things. 2017, 18, 19, 20. When they go to the redesign 22, or 21, excuse me. When they go to the redesign, they get sound. And everyone goes, oh, now I can get a sound system on my... Because people were asking for sound systems in 2018, 19, and 20 because they weren't riding GPs the way it was meant to be ridden. They were riding their GPs like they would ride a VX Cruiser with a TR1 engine. They just fart around. There's a guy in Mudbug who's literally he's kitted out a 2018 GP 1800. I mean, and he tows it with a Bullet Mustang. Hey, cool. I won't be the one. I can't tell you what to love and what not to love. But boy, that made me scratch my head. I was like, boy, you sure like to buy racehorses and saddle them with plows, don't you? Anyway.
Hey guys, thanks for hanging out. This clip was taken from our weekly podcast that we record here every Sunday night at 8 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. If you want to watch the whole video, you can go to the Watercraft Journal's YouTube channel, go to playlists, and then click on live sessions. You're going to see it there. Otherwise, go ahead and leave a like, a comment, and definitely subscribe to the channel. It helps us grow. And again, thanks again for watching our videos, and we hope to see you soon.